Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies. Today I've got something really special for you. The 2008 Ford Shelby GT 500KR from Jada's Big Time Muscle lineup. And trust me, this one's a king among diecast cars. Literally. KR stands for King of the Road, and when you see the details on this beast, you'll know why. Right off the bat, just look at that stance. Jada nailed the Shelby's aggressive lines. The long hood, wide fenders, and low-slung profile. The metallic paint pops under the light, giving it that real muscle car presence. And of course, you can't miss those Shelby stripes running down the middle, a classic sign that this Mustang isn't messing around. Up front, we've got the signature Shelby Cobra badge right in the grille. The hood scoop is raised and functional in real life. It screams performance. Even in die-cast form, you can tell this car was built for speed. Swinging around to the side, you really see the Shelby's muscular lines. Long, sleek, and powerful. Now check out these wheels, finished in solid black, giving the car a meaner, more aggressive stance. They're not the traditional 5 spokes you'd expect, but instead a performance-style design that matches the attitude of this GT 500KR. Paired with those wide, low-profile tires, it looks ready to grip the road and launch forward. Inside, everything is finished in sleek all-black. The seats, dash, and console keep that dark, performance-focused look. You still get the fine touches like the molded steering wheel and shifter detail, but the all-black interior really gives it that tough, no-nonsense vibe, just like a real Shelby built for the road. From the back, you get those quad exhaust tips, polished and aggressive. The taillights are clean and accurate to the 2008 Mustang look. Shelby badging across the trunk really seals it off. And under the hood, this is where things get serious. Jada gave us a supercharged V8, painted block, hoses, and chrome touches that really bring it to life. You can almost hear it rumble just looking at it. So that's the 2008 Ford Shelby GT 500KR from Jada's Big Time Muscle. It's got style, power, and detail that makes it a must-have for any die-cast collector. If you're into Mustangs or just American muscle cars in general, this is one you'll definitely want in your collection. Thanks for watching Dad's Expensive Hobbies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what car you want to see on the turntable next. Until next time, keep die-casting and God bless.